Hi, hello there. Um, I've come on here today to share a little upcycling idea that I've had. And it's been inspired by another YouTuber called Margret, also known as Seven Plaza. And she recently did a project where she turned one of these little chipboard boxes into, I think, a shadow box. Now, that's not what I'm going to do with this, but I saw her reusing this thing, and well, I've had a few of these lying around, and I always feel like I don't want to throw it away, but then again, I don't really know what to use it for either. So I thought I'd like to turn this into this, my stamp collection box. This one is sorted by color. I mean, can't really see the red very well here, but there's red stamps in there, brown, green, whatever. Here are some strips of stamps that don't really fit into the little compartments. So that's what I'm going to do, and as you can see, I've made my prototype. I just thought, why not take you along while I'm making this? I've never really done a tutorial, so let's call this Upcycle with me. So I basically need a lid for that, and I happen to have this cheapo paper design pad from a European, I don't know, discount store chain called, actually this might have been from Germany, it's Teddy. Never mind. It's a little pad, and it just fits exactly onto my box. This box actually contained buttons. I bought it when I was in Germany just a few weeks ago, and now I'm going to turn it into a little, I don't know, holder for my stamps, because I've realized I really want another stamp collection like this. This is sorted by color, but I also want one that is sorted by like country. Say I'm making a sort of French inspired journal, where then I want to use French stamps. So for that reason, it would be nice to kind of sort into different countries. Right, so since I used the diamond in sort of green here, I think I'm going to use the diamonds in this color here, and put that aside. And I think it's slightly, as you can see, it's slightly too big, so we're going to have to cut it a little bit, and we need my, here we go. So let's just shave a little bit off. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now, if I want to attach the lid like that, I won't have enough of this paper, so I will have to lengthen the lid, and I thought I'd dig out some of my so this is 1.1. Let's give us a that fits. And then we want the same on that side. Oh, I actually need to shave a little bit off of this one as well. Let's do that. Yep, that fits, and then that can be opened up. Right, so let's see. How are we gonna do this? Might be a good idea to mark where the lids overlap, and for that I need a pencil. And now I know I will have to attach it there. Let's do that. Well, I actually wanted it the other way around, but there we have it. This one is going to be attached this way around. Did that the wrong way. Never mind. We can probably do a little bit of decorating on that. Anyway, we will do some decorating anyway. So there we have it. There's the box, and you can open it up like that. Never mind the inside, that will also be covered. I'm going to take a bit of dictionary page, and well, this one is already, so let's see. Not forget how this works. So we need stuff to be up here, and probably nicer if it was cut properly. So let's do that. That looks better. All right. And the reason I'm not covering the whole page is because I would like to put a pocket here, so I don't need it to go all the way down there. I still have the same paper that I used for the other thing. Might as well use this here. Have to cut a tiny bit off. Okay, first of all, close the glue because that dries out so quickly. Okay, shaving off a tiny piece here. Yep, that's fine. And put a little notch in here, just eyeballing that. I don't really mind so much. That's great. A little bit of inking. And that should be it. Right. There we are. That's okay. Good. Right. So this one I decorated with a few little bits and pieces and some labels, and I probably need to do the same with this one, although I might do that at the end because it mightn't be that exciting to watch. Let's look at how I attached the whole thing. So basically I just put loads of glue on the back there. Let me check whether that's, yeah. And then later I attached a couple of Velcro dots on this flap. So I'm gonna do the same here. First of all, let me give this a little notch there, just because it looks a bit better. And I attach the back first. Right. That's great. And now for the front, I've got my Velcro dots here. And I mean, they are sticky backed, so they will work fairly easily. And I am going to put what do I want where? I want the soft bit there. Oops. And I'm going to attach the other Velcro side there. Oops. And now I'm just going to carefully close it and press down, make sure it's tight, and then open it carefully for the first time. And then it'll get easier, but it will stay closed. I'm not quite sure I like the way the dots are kind of looking over, so I might shave some of that off. But there we have it. Basically, the box is done, and I can fill it with my other collection of stamps according to country. But I really do want to put a little bit of decoration on the top. So let's see what I have here and near. Bits and pieces here, including some label stickers. Oh, how about that one? I'll take that. I do want to hide this a little bit because that hasn't turned out the way I wanted it to. But maybe I'll just hide it with a bit of paper. What about this? That's kind of fun. I like that. I'm going to do that. Let's reuse all the scraps we have. Right. Got my 2 boxes now that I can use very easily. So if I'm decorating something and I need a particular color, I have them sorted here by color, and this one is going to be filled now with countries, sorted by countries. And maybe here will be space for some airline label, airmail labels or stuff like that. Anyway, easy enough. And well, I mean, this thing is not going to last 100 years, but it's going to be fine. Oh, I've just noticed they are slightly different in size, but never mind, it still will work. Anyway, that's my little upcycling project, and if you think it's useful, well, maybe you'll make something similar. I'd love to know if you do. Leave me a comment. Bye.